In Sagarpur city, there was Seth Motilal's eatery. Motilal was a very stingy, greedy and cunning man. A person named Shyam worked at Motilal's eatery who was a very simple and kind-hearted individual. One day, two friends, Sumit and Kaushal, came to Motilal's eatery to eat. Their clothes were very dirty and torn. Shyam seated them and went to Seth Motilal.
Master, I heard these two talking. They don't have money.
Oh, then why did you seat them to eat?
Master, they don't have money to pay, but they seem very hungry.
Motilal smiles and says to Shyam,
All right, Shyam, you feed them their fill.
Saying this, Motilal smiles and thinks to himself,
Today, Ramu the dishwasher hasn't come to work. So, to recover the money for the food, I'll make these two beggars wash all the dishes.
Sumit and Kaushal ate their fill and gave Motilal 20 rupees. Seeing this, Motilal angrily says,
Hey you, we haven't set up a charity here for you to just walk in and eat at my eatery.
Sethi, please forgive us. We were so hungry. We couldn't stop ourselves when we saw the food. Please keep these 20 rupees for the food and we return the rest soon.
How will you return it? Hey Shyam, take these two to the kitchen and make them wash all the dishes properly. Big shot, eating for free at my eatery.
Master, you are not doing this right. You already knew they had less money. Yet you intentionally fed them so you could make them wash all the eatery's dishes?
Oh Shyam, just do as you are told. There is no need for any more chatter.
Sethi, my friend has been ill for several days. Please don't make him work.
You should have thought about all this before eating. Now both of you get to work.
Master, they truly seem quite ill. You can deduct their money from my salary. But please let them go.
You are talking back to your master?
Saying this, Motilal thrusts some money from Shyam's salary into his hand and says,
Here, take your money and get out of my eatery with these two beggars and never set foot in my eatery again.
Shyam takes the money and walks out of the eatery.
Brother Shyam, you lost your job because of us. Please forgive us. And thank you from the bottom of our hearts for helping us. God always helps those who help others.
Saying this, Sumit and Kaushal leave. Shyam, saddened by losing his job, goes and sits under the tree.
Oh God, I wish I could do something for the poor. If I had money, I could feed the poor a full meal for even 20 rupees. For now, I have lost my own job. I don't know what to do. I have completely no idea what to do now.
Shyam was still speaking when a man Pushkar comes to him and says,
I saw you helping those poor people. I was eating at that same eatery and I saw how you gave money to the Seth from your salary. But in helping those poor people, you lost your job. Your thinking is truly very good. Tell me, if you really had a lot of money, would you truly use it to feed the poor a full meal for 20 rupees? Food that costs 500 rupees at the eatery. Tell me. I want to know your thoughts. Would you be able to feed in just 20 rupees to the poor? Absolutely. I'm not a miser like Motilal, who only thinks about himself. It seems God has heard your prayers. That's why I'll give you money, enough for you to feed the poor. You are not joking, are you? I have no one in the world, but I have plenty of money. You seemed very kind-hearted to me, so I'll give you enough money to feed yourself and the poor. And doing so will bring me great peace. I'm not joking. I'm very serious.
Shyam immediately opened his own 20 rupee thali eatery right in front of Motilal's eatery, where a full meal cost only 20 rupees. As soon as people heard about the full meal for 20 rupees, crowds gathered at Shyam's eatery. Even the people who came to eat at Motilal's eatery started coming to Shyam's 20 rupee thali eatery. Within a few days, people stopped coming to Motilal's eatery. The servants working there also left their jobs due to not getting their salaries and came to work at Shyam's eatery. One day, Shyam to Pushkar,
Sir, even after feeding the poor for 20 rupees a thali, I'm still making a profit. I think I'll be able to return all the money you give me in a few days. I'm very thankful for your help.
Shyam, all of this has been possible because of your kindness. Just keep working like this.
With Shyam's eatery open, the poorest men and women all ate their fill from Shyam's 20 rupee thali and left, giving Shyam many blessings and good wishes. Then, one day, Motilal comes to Shyam's eatery, folds his hands in front of him, apologizes.
Shyam, my eatery has closed because everyone comes to your eatery to eat. And because of my eatery closed, I'm completely on the streets. I don't even have 20 rupees to eat now. So please forgive me for what I did to you that day. I am really sorry, Shyam.
Master, you don't need to give me anything to eat. Just eat your fill. One more thing. Since your eatery closed because of my eatery opened, you'll now work at my eatery, doing what you used to do at your own eatery. You were my master then, and you are still my master today. I really respect you, master.
Shyam, today the favor you have done me by giving me work, I will never forget it in my lifetime.
Saying this, Motilal embraces Shyam.